Today I am going to teach you how to do the satin stitch. This is the most basic stitch and the one you'll probably do most often. There are two different ways, I think, to do this. One is the way that I'm doing it right now, where you go through one side, come back up the other, and slowly fill up a space. It's called the satin stitch because when all the thread is lined up together, it kind of shines like satin does. Now, I don't actually do my satin stitch like this. I feel like it's very wasteful, and what you see on the top is also what's on the bottom, which means you're wasting a lot of thread. Probably doesn't matter to some people, but I guess it bothers me. So, if I have a space that's about this big, I actually won't keep going around and around. What I will do is go here, line it up, put the needle in, and then I will move over just slightly on the same side and line it up here and make sure it's parallel. And then I will go through and kind of fill it in, but staying on the same side. And when I am finished, I will show you what the back looks like so you understand what I mean by wasting thread. And now I will show you the back. Okay, we'll ignore all of this. This was an old thing that will no longer be. But this is where we first started. See how much thread there is, the same that's on the front. But on this side, you can barely even tell that there's anything there. I'm just gonna do this so this doesn't fly everywhere. So, as you can see, hardly using any thread, but you get the exact same effect. So this really is just important when, say, you're trying to finish something, you're running out of thread, or you're worried you're going to run out of thread. I just like to do this just in case because sometimes I'm too lazy to run to Joann's. And this method has saved me quite a few extra trips and extra thread, and in the end, extra money. That is the satin stitch. Happy embroidering.